With a cinematic touch, Wallis Lake House is positioned to offer a privileged view of Wallis Lake on the mid-north coast of New South Wales, Australia. Nestled against a ridgeline and overlooking the distant peaks of the national park in Woota, Wallis Lake House was born from a deep collaboration between architect and owner-builder, bound by years of friendship and trust. This bond served as the solid foundation that transformed a bold idea into reality. The entry offers a magical transition. First, the view of the lake fades to reveal the concrete interior, with a central fireplace and the soft light of skylights. Then it emerges again, with emotional intensity. The aim here was to create an experimental dwelling, robust, intelligently planned, yet filled with lightness and a playful spirit. A place to bring people together, celebrate life on the land, and contemplate the serenity of a landscape in constant brilliance and transformation. Its orientation makes the most of the lake view, with linear forms facing north to capture sunlight and coastal breezes, while a forested mountain to the south acts as a natural shield against harsh winds. The attention to execution details is remarkable. Joints are aligned with millimetric precision, elements such as curtain rails were cast directly into the slab, and cabinetry fits seamlessly into the ceiling. In the kitchen, an herb garden is embedded in a continuous stainless steel countertop with a window serving as the backsplash. And there is a touch of poetry. A skylight above the counter allows dichondra vines to grow into the interior, originally an accident, but embraced as a living element of the design. Cultivated landscaping and a green roof are part of the strategy. With succulents spilling over the edges, the house volume seems to emerge organically from the vegetation. This feature also provides fresh produce, reinforcing the home's intrinsic sustainability. The building is visually and functionally divided into two volumes connected by a walkway and an internal courtyard. One, in exposed concrete, houses the social spaces, kitchen and living room. The other, in recycled block-butt timber, contains the private areas, bedrooms, and the main suite. Passive heating and cooling strategies include wide eaves, movable panels, cross ventilation, and the natural thermal mass of the materials, all harmonized for comfort in the Australian climate. The aesthetic strikes a balance between masculine and feminine. Concrete displays an unretouched natural look, with sharp edges and smooth surfaces. The timber ages over time, gaining a silvery hue that adds softness and warmth. The floors change as you move through the house, from smooth concrete in the common areas to washed concrete in the bathrooms, and finally to the soft, green grass of the roof garden, inviting you to walk barefoot and feel each texture. From the upper floor and green roof, you can take in the blue ridges of the Booti Booti National Park ranges. A metal mesh walkway connects the house to the outer slope, where a lawn and bocce court extend. Sustainability goes beyond aesthetics. From the very beginning, it was considered a cornerstone of the design. Beneath the walkway, a rainwater tank with a capacity of 20 or 40,000 liters supplies faucets and toilets, and gray water from the laundry is recycled to irrigate the garden. Whether in the pink reflection of sunset on the water, in the salty ocean mist drifting over Booti Booti National Park, or in the vast horizon of the sky framed by native Australian vegetation, the house is designed to capture it all. Wallis Lake House expresses confidence, precision, lightness, and strength. The ideal refuge to rest, welcome, create, and live fully. Built on the land of the Walamba people of the Wurimi Nation, the house honors the natural and cultural landscape it inhabits.